Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change Uber Eats bicycle to motorcycle. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Change Uber Eats Vehicle. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply scroll down a little bit and select Manage Vehicles web link. Once done, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, select the other option and then tap on Next. After that, you will get to the page where an option will be displayed named Login to get help. Simply tap on it, sign in, and then you will be sent to this page. Now, you just need to scroll down a little bit, toggle on Add a Vehicle, and then enter the required details. After you're done with it, tap on Submit and then remove your old vehicle by tapping on the Remove a Vehicle link on this page. So that's basically how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to motorcycle. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.